Hi guys, welcome to the Avoiding Broke podcast here on this lovely Sunday with me, Leanne. I really hope you're well and thank you so much for joining me for these few minutes. So hopefully we're going to talk about something that's going to help you on your journey, on your path to whatever you're working on at the minute. So what I really wanted to talk to you about today is how we look after ourselves when we are working hard towards our goal, when we're striving, when we're putting that effort in every single day to try and work towards something. And we're often planning, thinking, reading, talking to somebody, actually putting things into practice. And all of that we may be doing on top of being parents, partners, sons, daughters, aunts, uncles, full-time employees, part-time employees, running our own businesses, and all of these things we're all trying to do at the same time. And actually trying to get all of those things lined up at the same time and working on them and striving and going forward can actually be quite tiring. And when do you have time to yourself? Where do you get that headspace from? And I think it's almost counterintuitive actually that we would think to ourselves, you know, I need to stop, I need to take a break, and that's actually going to help me go forward. It's going to help me to achieve what I want to achieve. And one of the things that I really love, which is something that Jermaine's been saying to me for a few years now, is, Leanne, you need to slow down to speed up. And that to me just sounded completely bonkers at first, I'm not gonna lie. It's like, how can I slow down but still kind of keep doing what I want to do and keep achieving and keep actually doing the things that are going to make me happy? How can I do that? But actually it makes a lot of sense if we think about it, because when we're always rushing, we're always doing something, we're always thinking or planning or putting things into action or talking to people about what we're trying to do and just actually putting in that work, putting in that effort, actually what we're doing is we keep going and we keep going and we keep going. But if you don't look after yourself, if you don't take the time to slow down, if you don't take the time to recharge your batteries, then you're just going to be like a car on the motorway that's running out of petrol, that's tyres are getting worn out, that mud is getting on the windscreen so you can't see properly. So really what we need to do is we need to realise that actually once in a while we need to take a step back, we need to breathe, we need to focus on ourselves, we need to get some headspace. And whether you get that through meditation, walking, taking a couple of days away from technology, whether that is reading for pleasure rather than growth, although reading for growth is also very pleasurable, but you know, you pick up a novel and read something or read a magazine about something, whatever it is for you that helps you get that headspace. Now, we did a video a while ago on headspace, how to know when you need it and how to get it, and a few of the things in there may help, so have a look at that video if you haven't seen it already. But I would just say that's one thing, is the headspace, you know, slowing down, giving yourself, your brain, the chance to relax. But also, what about your physical health? Because sometimes when we're working so hard on a goal, a financial goal or a personal goal or something like that, if it's not a health related goal, then that's something that is so easily substituted. Easily, you know, oh, I won't do that today because I'm going to do this. It's something that if it's not part of your goal, it's really easy to just not do it and do something else instead. But I would say actually being in great physical health and working on your physical well-being actually helps your mental well-being, but also can help give you that strength that you need to just kind of power through. It's a great release of endorphins that can really give you energy. Lots of people think, oh, you know, we're so knackered after a workout, but actually sometimes it can give you a great boost of energy, and it doesn't have to be anything strenuous. You can go for a walk, you can get yourself some dumbbells. If you don't have dumbbells, then a couple of tins of beans and do some bicep curls or whatever it is, yoga, Pilates, running, rowing, anything that is going to help you keep your body fit, because everything works together, it all works in harmony. You need to have a fit body, a fit mind and a fit soul actually to live in happiness and to give yourself all the tools that you need to work towards your goals and your dreams and what you are working on. So I really just wanted to take that time today just to give you that bit of a reminder that says, I know you're working hard, I know you may be tired, you may be fatigued, you may be kind of longing for things to kind of come to an end and to open up and to have a break, to go on holiday, to do something different. But I would just say, make sure you listen to yourself when you're feeling that way. Take the break, take the mental break, do some physical exercise, whatever it is that's going to help you to recharge, and try new things. Maybe we don't know what it is. Maybe you don't know what's going to help you. Try new things. Try new things, get a plan together, and just do something different. Shock your body into doing something else. I think that's why holidays are so great, because you go from your normal life, and then almost within a few hours, or depending where you're going, how long it takes, you're in somewhere completely different, having a completely different life. And that's truly wonderful. So try and see if you can get that for yourself here now. So I really just wanted to give you that reminder today that says, I know you're doing a great job, but please make sure that you look after yourself. You give your brain the chance to rest and relax, and you give your body that chance to actually fuel itself and nourish itself and work towards the best you that you can be. And I really hope you found that useful today. I really hope you take some time for yourself, and it really will actually help you reach your goals, because once you're rested and you're relaxed, and actually it then helps you, gives you that more energy to then go forward and to keep working on that goal, rather than keep pushing through, and actually the returns you get less and less, because you need that rest and recharge, so then you can come back stronger, come back fighting stronger. So guys, I hope you found that useful. You look after yourselves, and I will be back next week, or Jermaine will be back next week to talk to you again. So have a great week. Subscribe to our channel if you're not a subscriber, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. And I really look forward to speaking to you again very soon. And you take care of yourself, guys. Okay, bye.